Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're doing a super quick update looking at Gala games and Townstar as we get ready for the next competition, which is going to happen in about 1 hour. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in my Gala Games account. And we did take part in the last competition, which was to create cider. Now, I was actually quite happy with the town that I built. As I did state in the video that basically I did sort of borrow the design from somewhere else. And then basically what I did was I just changed it slightly to incorporate the NFTs that I own. Anyway, basically, if we dive into our Discord channel, we come down here to our Townstar area where you can find my how-to videos. Now, some of those are, they're a little dated because they are from the old version of Townstar, but there's a lot of how-to videos in there that are still working very well for the new version of Townstar, such as how to start off in certain biomes, how to get your different fuel depots up and running, all those kind of things. Check those videos out. They will help you no end. Anyway, if we go into the where did you place section, this is where anytime I take part in a competition, I tend to put post where I've placed and any sort of comment that I think of to do with that competition. And also we do have other members of the Discord that put their placings in here. It's not for any reason, just for a bit of fun, just see how each other get on. Okay, so if we dive into here, sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. So here we go. And my comment was, well, I didn't quite crack the top 1,000, but top 1,200, which is better than last week because we got like 1,300th in the previous competition. And also it meant that this time we actually earned some Gala. So you can see we got 1,119th place. Like I say, anything in the top 1,200 was sort of what I was aiming at. And basically, if you look at the rewards thing, which is in the pinned comment just here, basically it shows here that we were entitled to win 100 Gala. And obviously in the competitions where they give away the free ghost card NFTs, we would have won a rare. I tend to try and aim for the epic, but like I say, I haven't really played in any competitions for over a year. This is only my third competition back in, like I say, probably a year and a half or something like that, maybe just over a year. So I was actually quite happy with that placing. And if we go into our Gala Games account and then we click the little bell up here, you can see that we got our 100 Gala deposited right there. So nowadays, when I first started playing this game, it was taking literally months for people to receive the Gala they had earned in competition. Now, 4 days later, actually less than 4 days, so 3 and whatever days, basically we got that Gala into our account, which is super fast, like I say, compared to what it was when I sort of stopped looking at this over a year ago. So that's really nice to see that, Gala actually have improved. Because at the end of the day, your time you are using, you're not investing. They don't like to say you're investing, but you're buying NFTs and stuff like that to play the competition. To then wait months for any reward that you've earned was a bit out of order. But it's good to see that they have now upped their game and these deposits are coming in pretty quickly now. So the meta, or the products that we should be looking to make in this competition is mead. Now, mead is basically a stacked on top of cider. So if you were in the last competition and you did cider, simply all you would be doing will be adding a few extra items to your town to then create mead. Basically, you create cider and then you basically create mead from cider. So I have created a build for this. The only thing is I literally didn't have time to sort of practice it or build it actually in the practice server on in Townstar, or Common Ground World as it's known. Basically, so it's just sort of jotted down on a bit of paper as to the sort of what I'm looking to do. But if you are looking for a good solid design for your mead build, drop over to Dubstep Rod's YouTube channel. He has got a build here for, it's going to give you 31 mead, and it's pretty much using no NFTs. So if you're new to the game, you don't have any NFTs, remember to get in on this. It is absolutely free, but that's going to give you a good starting point, that video, and give you an understanding of, you know, how he puts the town together and stuff like that, which then might give you some really good ideas to then add to that. Because in the video, if you watch it, he does say that even though that town he's produced is creating 31 mead per hour, he says, and I agree after watching the video, that town has quite a good scope for improvement. So like I say, just tinker around with it and you could easily be up to 40 mead per hour with no problem. Also as well, if you are new to using Townstar, use this. This is something that has been produced by Dubstep Rod. I always try to give a shout out to him. I remember when he came on the scene, I was actually doing a lot of Townstar content when Dubstep turned up, and he's put the work in. He's created this, and you know, he creates all his videos and stuff like that, and he has done really well for himself, and so, you know, big kudos to him. But like I say, the Townstar playbook is absolutely brilliant. If you want to understand how NFTs work or how the objects in the game work, it's dead simple. All you got to do is click on objects. So from this point, when it loads, so basically anything like apple trees, obviously your character houses, ATVs, what they use, various plants. You will be using the beehive, you will be using the beekeeper in this build, in the mead build. So if you want to know how much shade they're going to cast, how long they're going to take, what you need to build, all these kind of stuff, check it out. Items, that's going to give you things like so what you're producing, so the products, and that's going to again tell you what you need to produce each of these. So again, if you scroll down, he should have added mead in here, which is right there, mead, and then it tells you sort of how much you're going to earn from it, cash wise, the amount of stars you're going to get from it, which is what moves you up the leaderboard, which is your stars, and then various other things in what is required to create mead, which is ceramic mug, 1 cider, 2 yeast, and 3 honey. So like I say, he really does put a lot of work into this. So, you know, like I say, go on, if you want to just for this one, go and check out his mead build and use his playbook. I will put the link to his playbook, which is basically just a Google Docs, but he keeps it updated all the time. It's really good. And also as well, things like competition lists, it will show you. Also what he's done here is, what's nice is that what he does is he shows you. So this is essentially like the reward listing I just showed you in our Discord channel, but what he's done is he's put a monetary value next to each prize. So we won 100 Gala at the moment with the current price that Gala is worth on the market, that was worth to me $7.17. But obviously, as you move up the leaderboard, you get to the top here, you're winning that top prize. That's worth $2,868.60 right now. Obviously, when if Gala goes up, then that's going to be whatever you win, it is going to be worth more. If it goes down, then it's going to be worth more. But like I say, this is something again that he's put in, and like I say, he needs nothing, but he should have nothing but praise for the work he's put in. So anyway, moving on quickly to the last two videos, I've showed you how to earn Gala, especially if you're new and you're trying to build up your account. You want to get some of those NFTs or buy some of these ghost cards on these various NFT markets. Basically, I showed you how you can be earning or mining Gala for absolutely free via a website. So the website is the Pro Infinity website. Obviously, if you want to use my link, I will put it in the description, and you can come in here. And if we go back to the dashboard, so in the last video that we did, we had 1.8 Gala in our C wallet. Now, if we look at C wallet here, and we click on C wallet there, you can see we now have, in 4 days, we're up to now 3.2. So that's quite a nice little gain. And then also as well, which is still within the 4 days because we're still mining it, if we go back to Pro Infinity, scroll down, you can see we've actually got 1.8 Gala in here, which we can withdraw. I'm going to make that withdrawal right now. C wallet. We're going to withdraw that. Click withdraw on here. And then basically all you've got to do is click on the ups, whichever one of these is upside down. So that should be the right one. It says request withdrawal submitted will be processed in 48 hours. So obviously that's gone to 0. And we can then go back to our auto faucet, which will just click the single mode 25 payments balance. We click Gala again and then scroll down, and then that's gonna basically in 60 seconds you're gonna see a listing of 25 payments of Gala, and every 60 seconds while this is mining you will get those 25 payments. And if we go back to C wallet, I don't think it's, obviously it did say 48 hours. So just let's quickly see if it does come through. No, so we're still showing 3.2, but you got to think 3.2 with another 1.8 on that. Actually, it's just over. So you could be looking at 5 to 6 Gala that we've got in there. And yeah, and like I say, you know, that's building all the time. We're mining that all the time. And so, like I say, in 4 days, we've gone from 1.8 or basically 2 up to 5 to 6. So it could be a gain of 3 to 4. And, you know, like I say, for those of you that are running small accounts, you've got, you know, times that you're not playing on the game. You can use Pro Infinity to mine Gala. And then obviously, once you've built that up, you can deposit that straight into your Gala account. Then go over to somewhere like NFT Harbor, buy some NFTs or some of those ghost cards, some of the Miranda's cards. All of these give speed boosts, product boosts, stuff like that. That is going to help you out no end, and that is really going to start pushing you up through that leaderboard. All you've got to do is understand how to play the game, put a decent town together, and you will start to see improvements in your finishing places. Okay, so I don't want to hold you up too long as the competition is going to be starting relatively soon. So I hope you found that helpful and interesting. If you can smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and good luck in the competition. And I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.